Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox app and backup photos easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your device's App Store. If you're using an iPhone, tap on the App Store icon. If you're on an Android device, locate and tap on the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Dropbox and hit search. Look for the official Dropbox app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its page. Next, click on the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install onto your device. Once the installation is complete, locate the Dropbox app icon on your home screen. Tap the Dropbox app icon to open it. If you already have a Dropbox account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up to create a new one. Follow the prompts to set up your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the Photos section within the app. Here, you will see an option to back up your photos. Tap on Backup to start uploading your photos to Dropbox. You may be prompted to allow Dropbox access to your photos. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your media. Select the photos you want to back up, or choose to back up all your photos. After selecting, confirm your choice to start the upload process. Monitor the progress of the upload within the app. Once complete, your photos will be securely backed up in your Dropbox account. You can access your photos anytime from any device with Dropbox installed. Feel free to explore additional features in the app for managing your files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.